Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will see Python MCQ. This will help you to crack any computer science exam. So let's start. Question number 1. Which type of programming does Python support? Options are A. Object oriented programming, B. Structured programming, C. Functional programming, D. All of the mentioned. Correct answer is D. All of the mentioned. Question number 2. Is Python case sensitive when dealing with identifiers? Options are A. No, B. Yes, C. Machine dependent, D. None of the mentioned. Correct answer is B. Yes. Question number 3. Which of the following is the correct extension of the Python file? Options are A. .python, B. .pl, C. .py, D. .p. Correct answer is C. .py. Question number 4. Is Python code compiled or interpreted? Options are A. Python code is both compiled and interpreted, B. Python code is neither compiled nor interpreted, C. Python code is only compiled, D. Python code is only interpreted. Correct answer is A. Python code is both compiled and interpreted. Question number 5. All keywords in Python are in. Options are A. Capitalized, B. Lowercase, C. Uppercase, D. None of the mentioned. Correct answer is D. None of the mentioned. Question number 6. What will be the value of the following Python expression? Print 4 plus 3 percentage 5. Options are A. 7, B. 2, C. 4, D. 1. Correct answer is A. 7. Question number 7. Which of the following is used to define a block of code in Python language? Options are A. Indentation, B. Key, C. Brackets, D. All of the mentioned. Correct answer is A. Indentation. Question number 8. Which keyword is used for function in Python language? Options are A. Function, B. Def, C. Fun, D. Defined. Correct answer is B. Def. Question number 9. Which of the following character is used to give single line comment in Python? Options are A. Double slash, B. Hash, C. Exclamation mark, D. Slash star. Correct answer is B. Hash. Question number 10. Which of the following functions can help us to find the version of Python that we can currently working on? Options are A. sys dot version 1, B. sys version 0, C. sys dot version, D. sys dot version. Correct answer is D. sys dot version. Question number 11. Python supports the creation of anonymous function at runtime using a construct called. Options are A. pi, B. Anonymous, C. Lambda, D. None of the mentioned. Correct answer is C. Lambda. Question number 12. What does PIP stand for Python? Options are A. PIP installer Python, B. PIP installer package, C. Preferred installer program, D. All of the mentioned. Correct answer is C. Preferred installer program. Question number 13. Which of the following functions is a built-in function in Python? Options are A. Factorial, B. Print, C. Seed, D. Squat. Correct answer is B. Print. Question number 14. Which of the following is the use of id function in Python? Options are A. Every object doesn't have a unique id, B. id return the identity of the object, C. Both A and B, D. None of the mentioned. Correct answer is B. id returns the identity of the object. Question number 15. Which of the following is not a core data type in Python programming? Options are A. Tuples, B. Lists, C. Class, D. Dictionary. Correct answer is C. Class. Question number 16. Which of these is the definition for package in Python? Options are A. A set of main modules, B. A folder of Python modules, C. A number of files containing Python definition and statements, D. A set of program making use of Python modules. Correct answer is B. A folder of Python modules. Question number 17. Which one of the following is not a keyword in Python language? Options are A. Pass, B. Eval, C. Assert, D. Non-local. Correct answer is B. Eval. Question number 18. Which module in the Python standard library parses options received from the command line? Options are A. Get args, B. Get opt, C. Main, D. OS. Correct answer is B. Get opt. Question number 19. What arithmetic operators cannot be used with string in Python? Options are A. Star, B. Minus, C. Plus, D. All of the mentioned. Correct answer is B. Minus. Question number 20. To add a new element to a list, we use which Python command? Options are A. list1 dot add and 5, B. list1 dot add last 5, C. list1 dot append 5, D. list1 dot add 5. Correct answer is C. list1 dot append 5. Question number 21. Which one of the following is the use of function in Python? Options are A. Function don't provide better modularity for your application, B. You can't also create your own function, C. Functions are reusable pieces of programs, D. All of the mentioned. Correct answer is C. Functions are reusable pieces of program. Question number 22. What is the maximum possible length of an identifier in Python? Options are A. 79 characters, B. 31 characters, C. 63 characters, D. None of the mentioned. Correct answer is D. None of the mentioned. Question number 23. What are the two main types of functions in Python? Options are A. System function, B. Custom function, C. Built-in function and user-defined function, D. User-defined function. Correct answer is B. Built-in function and user-defined function. Question number 24. Which of the following command will create a list? Options are A. list1 equals to list open bracket close bracket, B. list1 equals to big bracket, C. list1 equals to list we pass list in function, D. All of the mentioned. Correct answer is D. All of the mentioned. Question number 25. What is the output when we execute list hello? Options are A. Open big bracket H, E, L, O, close big bracket, B. big bracket hello close big bracket, C. open big bracket LLO close big bracket, D. big bracket OLLEH close big bracket. Correct answer is A. Question number 26. Which of the following is a Python tuple? Options are A. big bracket 1 2 3 close bracket, B. small bracket 1 2 3 close small bracket, C. curly 1 2 3 close curly, D. curly. Correct answer is B. small bracket 1 2 3 close small bracket. Question number 27. Suppose T equals to small bracket 1 2 4 3. Which of the following is incorrect? Options are A. print T3, B. T3 equals to 45. C. Print max T. D. Print len T. Correct answer is B. T3 equals to 45. Question number 28. Which of these about a dictionary is false? Options are A. The value of a dictionary can be accessed using keys. B. The keys of a dictionary can be accessed using values. C. Dictionaries aren't ordered. D. Dictionaries are mutable. Correct answer is B. The key of a dictionary can be accessed using values. Question number 29. Which of the following isn't true about dictionary keys? Options are A. More than one key isn't allowed. B. Keys must be mutable. C. Keys must be integer. D. When duplicate keys encountered, the last assignment wins. Correct answer is C. Keys must be integers. Question number 30. Which of these about a set is not true? Options are A. Mutable data type. B. Does not allow duplicate values. C. Data types with unordered values. D. Immutable data types. Correct answer is D. Immutable data types. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share this with your friends. I will see you in next video. Until then, keep learning and keep growing. Bye bye.